Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to hide the category in WooCommerce. So, first of all guys, if you want to hide the WooCommerce category, you will have to have WooCommerce in the first place. So how to do so, go to your WordPress website and then go to your dashboard from wordpress.com/wp-admin, then go to plugins, add new from here and then search for it in this section over here. So just type here WooCommerce and you will find it. So it's pretty simple. Now let's wait a little bit. Here we go. Click here to activate it and install it. After that, make sure that it is activated. Go to install plugins, active, and make sure that it is over here. Now, if it didn't appear here, go to inactive and you will find it in this section. Now, when you finish with that, what I need you guys to do is to refresh the page. Here we go. And from here, guys, what I need you to do is to look if this menu is over here. Now, if it is, that means that you are good. If not, I recommend that you rewatch the opening of this video. Now, to be able to actually hide like a category, what you have to do is pretty simple. Go to your product, and here guys you will find all the categories of your product. So basically, as you can see, this is a product without any category. So how did I do that? It's pretty simple. So if I went here to my product, which is iPhone X, it's pretty simply that. So if you have any categories checked, the only thing that you need to do is pretty easy. Just go and uncheck it, update, and as you can see here, it will be without any category. So as you can see over here, so if I click here add new and I click something like that, name, again publish, you will notice that the same thing will go over here. So products are products and there will be no name. So that's pretty much it guys. So if you want also to hide all categories in your website, you can just go to categories through here, do this, delete all the categories that possibly can be existing in your website and they will be hidden. So yeah, guys, that's how we can hide the category from your products. Thanks a lot for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.